I'm going to give you 5 seconds to tell me where it is. 5.
I don't know what you're talking about.
4.
Hey, tough guy, I'm a cop, and you're threatening an officer.
How can you threaten somebody who never existed? 3. Come on, rack your brain. You might be able to come up with some lame excuse to go on living. In 2. 1.
Wait! Don't hurt him!
I don't have to tell you how many scientific breakthroughs have been made possible by animal testing. You're being very selfish.
Going my way?
What the? Who the hell do you think you are?
I'm the donut lord, you son of a...